Hello, my friends. Welcome back to another unboxing. Today we're testing out the ice maker. This is Freezimer's ice maker. So I'm very curious to see how this performs. I've reviewed about 10 different ice makers in the past, so I'm very curious how this will stand up against those. Alright guys, so far it looks like it came packaged very good. So that is a plus. You get a manual, typical manual. Let's go ahead and pull this out and see what it looks like. Ooh, double wrapped. Well, that's a plus. Alright guys, so this is the big plus. You can actually use this with an app called Smart Life. It's an app that I am familiar with, so I do know that it's a real and actually a pretty good app. Wow, this is actually pretty nice. So take ice on and off. Ice is full, add water. Okay. So far, I'm impressed. So far, it's stacking up very well against the other ones. Oh, I'm loving that stainless steel. That is a nice look. Wow. So I am definitely digging this. You got the ice tray in here. And this is a front loader or front collector. So you just pull that right from in here. That goes in there. They give you 2 filters, so most of these units don't actually have any filters. So for the fact that it does, that's impressive, and you get 2. Alright guys, so this is something that is very important, and that is a drain line. So this allows you to drain it without having to pull a plug underneath. The ones underneath are such a pain to deal with, and I cannot stand them. So for the fact that this one has a line that you push up, pull it down, and what you do is you just pop this out. So this just simply pops right out. Let's see, we can do this with one hand, just like that. And then you drain it, and then you put it back on, and then you clamp it back on the top there. That's impressive. Guys, so they give you this tray, which is really nice. Now this can be taken off for cleaning if you need to. So please remove the excess water in time to prevent overflowing of the plate and also mold and nasty germs buildup. But I'm telling you guys, this is really nice looking. I'm digging this a lot. And the great thing is, you want to do slushies and stuff, you drop your ice that you make. So the ice fills up in here, and you reach in the side and you pull out the tray. Guys, what you do is you fill this up with water. You have a maximum line, and when you fill it up to the maximum line, it goes in, it feeds it the whole way through the system, and up inside there, it makes the ice cubes. It drops the ice cubes down in here, and then when you want ice, take ice, then it drops the ice cubes right there into your cup, and you're good to go. Is that not cool or what, my friends? Guys, when the water melts, you see those little teeth there? It goes down into the tray, and then that's how it just keeps recycling. And when you press the ice machine or the ice button, let's see if we can pull it. There's a flap right here that pops the ice out. It pushes the ice out into your cup. And when you are not using it, it pushes the water and everything down in and just repeats. Let's test it out, guys. I'm loving it. Okay, guys, so when you have it plugged in, red means off. Go ahead, turn it on. So what it's doing now, it's taking the water and it's pulling it up to the top, to the ice. And it will start making ice cubes. Once you got a bunch of ice cubes, then you can actually take the ice by pressing that. It'll let you know if it's full or add water. So we're gonna go ahead and let it build up ice, and see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so we are getting some ice down in here. So we're gonna soon show you guys. Oh, there you go. You can see how it works. So pretty decent sized little ice cubes. See if we got enough. So you basically line it up right there. Do you press and hold? Okay, we press and held, and it blinked. Not sure. Let's press it and see and look. So we pressed it. Okay, so it'll take a little bit. So normally when a lot of ice, it fills up the whole thing and you'll get ice. But we're gonna have to keep pressing it. So you just press it and it keeps turning it. Oh, I got it. So you press and hold. There we go. So, okay. Okay. Very nice. Okay, and then you let go. You wait till it stops blinking. Nice. Alright, I'm liking this a lot. Now, remember guys, when you're first doing this, make sure you run it through multiple times. Clean it out because it's highly recommended. But overall, yeah, it's working good.